Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. This is Pakistan School Muscat. Welcome to Social Studies class. I'm with Ms. Shazia Safdar. Dear children, we are studying lesson number 5, land use, farming and forests. And our today's topic is agriculture. By studying this topic, students will be able to identify the agricultural regions of Pakistan. They will be able to define the crops and their kinds, and they will recognize that agriculture is the backbone of the country. Let's start our topic, agriculture. Agriculture is the science and practice of farming. It is related to the cultivation of the soil for growing crops and livestock farming. Agricultural regions of Pakistan. Punjab and Sindh has the best soil for growing crops because of the 5 big rivers which flow here. Parts of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa also have good agricultural land. Balochistan has very little agriculture because of its mountainous areas. Agriculture in the mountainous areas. In the mountainous areas of the north, farmers make fields on the mountain slopes. This is called terrace farming. Crops. In the mountain, plants of the same type that are grown over a large area is called a crop. According to their usage, there are 2 main types of crops, food crops and cash crops. Food crop. A food crop is a crop that is grown to get food. Most of the agricultural land in the country is used to grow food crops such as wheat, rice, maize, millets, millets means jowar and bajra, gram, masoor, mustard and groundnut. Cash crops. A cash crop is a crop that farmers grow for profit. For example, cotton, sugarcane, sugar beet, jute, tobacco, etc. Farmers often use fertilizers to make their crops grow well. Fruit orchards. Orchards mean gardens. Pakistan has a large areas of fruit orchards across the country and also grows a variety of fruits such as mangoes, apples, bananas, melons, oranges, peaches, apricots and plums. Although Balochistan does not have large areas of farmlands, but it does produce fruit like apples, peaches, almonds, cherries and grapes. Good quality fruit from Pakistan is also sold to other countries in large quantities. Growth of vegetables. Along with the crops and fruits, vegetables are also grown on smaller farms for daily use. We can help the country by growing vegetables in our kitchen garden and by not wasting food and by using water carefully so that none is wasted. Livestock farming. Livestock farming means keeping farm animals for food and other benefits. There are 2 types of farms, dairy farms and poultry farms. Yes, children, let's see these 2 farms separately. Dairy farms. Farmers rear cows, oxen, buffaloes, sheep, camels, and goats for milk and meat. Camels, oxen, and buffaloes are used to pull plows and carts, turn water wheels, and for other farm work. Do you know, children, that Pakistan is the fourth largest producer of milk in the world? There are many international companies making dairy products in Pakistan. The second type of farm is poultry farm. There are large number of poultry farms in the country which provide us with fresh eggs and chicken for meat. And let's see the important points. Agriculture is the science and practice of farming. Punjab and Sindh has the best soil for growing crops. Parts of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa also have good agricultural land, while Balochistan has very little agriculture. In the mountainous areas of the north, farmers make fields on the mountain slopes. This is called terrace farming. There are two main types of crops, food crops and cash crops. A food crop is a crop that is grown to get food, while a cash crop is a crop that farmers grow for profit. Pakistan grows fruit and vegetables in large quantities. Livestock farming means keeping farm animals for food and other benefits. There are two types of farms, dairy farms and poultry farms. Farmers rear cows, oxen, buffaloes, sheep, camels, and goats for milk and meat. Pakistan is the fourth largest producer of milk in the world. There is large number of poultry farms in the country which provide us with fresh eggs and chicken for meat. Questions and answers. This is the time for question and answers. Question number 6. In which areas of Pakistan are thorn and mangrove forests found? Answer. The thorn forests are found in parts of Balochistan and all over Punjab and Sindh provinces. The mangrove forests are found in the Indus Delta and the coastal areas in the south. Next question is, question number 7, list the reasons why forests are important. Answer. Forests are important as the green plants give out oxygen, which is necessary for all living things to breathe. Number 2, the trees also provide us with medicines, cooking oil, rubber for making tires, for cars, wood for building homes and furniture. Number 3, the softwoods are pulped to make paper. Number 4, we also get perfume, glue, paints and dyes from the different parts of the plants. Number 5, the trees of the forest provide homes to many small animals, birds and insects. Question number 8, write the names of 5 food crops grown in Pakistan. Answer. Wheat, rice, maize, millets, pulses. Question number 9, write the names of cash crops grown in Pakistan. Number 1, cotton, sugarcane, sugar beet, tobacco, jute. Thank you children for watching. Take care. Allah Hafiz.